Get moving, the 10-minute full body workout.
No equipment? No problem. This workout is designed for beginners and can be done anywhere, anytime. In just 10 minutes, you'll activate every major muscle group, boost your energy, and build a foundation for a healthier lifestyle. Let's break down the routine so you can follow along with confidence and keep things simple.
Warm up, preparing your body.
Start with a quick warm-up to get your blood flowing and reduce injury risk. March in place, swing your arms gently, and do light jumping jacks or toe taps for about a minute. This step increases your heart rate and prepares your muscles for movement, setting the tone for an effective workout.
Lower body strength squats and lunges.
For your legs and glutes, perform bodyweight squats for 30 seconds, resting briefly. Then follow with alternating reverse lunges for another 30 seconds. Focus on keeping your chest up and knees aligned. These moves build lower body strength, support balance, and help improve daily movement patterns.
Upper body and core. Push-ups and plank.
Work your arms, chest, and core. Do near standard push-ups for 30 seconds, taking breaks as needed. Next, hold a plank, either on your forearms or hands, aiming for 20 to 30 seconds. These exercises strengthen your upper body, support posture, and engage your abdominal muscles.
Cardio burst. High knees and standing crunches.
Get your heart pumping by performing high knees for 30 seconds. Then do standing crunches by bringing your knees toward your elbows, twisting at the waist for another 30 seconds. These simple cardio moves elevate your heart rate and mix in some extra core work.
Cool down, stretch and breathe.
Finish strong by cooling down. Stand tall, take slow breaths, and stretch your arms, legs, and torso. Hold each stretch for about 15 seconds. Cooling down helps prevent stiffness and brings your heart rate back to normal. Celebrate your effort. You've just completed an effective full-body workout at home.